Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are having beautiful day. Hope you all have a beautiful day because it's going to predict how the day is going to be. And those who all want to be a part of my WhatsApp group where my daily tips, my readings, and my workshop updates and my product updates keep coming, you can WhatsApp to 63806777131 and you shall be added to it. Now coming to how your day is going to be. Let's see what the Ma Kali is saying. Oh, beautiful cards. Gunatantrika. Wow, Shri Bala. That's a beautiful combination, no? But I don't know. I shall be predicting what it means. But when you see at the colors and when you see at this rum, it's just beautiful. Rum, lum. Okay. Can you see this? So now let's start what your day is going to be. Ganatantrika is basically she is the mother of medicine. So today maybe she is telling you that there's a lot of restoration, there's a lot of healing process which is going to happen inside you. When it comes, basically you should heal, but this healing is not as going to a doctor or getting blood tests done and healing. No, it is healing spiritually, healing from the body and the mind. And when you really want to heal with the body and the mind, it means a day of detachment, a day of let going things, and not wondering as to what it is. So basically she's telling you to work on your inner power today and work on your cycles and work on your mind, that you become successful and happy. Now here if you see lam, ram and om, this is beautiful mantras. So what you will do is you will keep your hand on the abdomen and you will say 11 times lam or lum. I think lum is best. I always pronounce as lum. I've heard some people saying as lam. So lum. 11 times keeping your hand on the abdomen. Lum. Okay. Next coming to your rum. Now rum. Rum you will keep it. You will keep your hand on your third eye, or you can even close your eyes and keep your hand on that, but I feel third eye is the best. Now om. Om is basically just a secret healing process or a sacred healing process. What you will do is 11 times lam, 11 times ram, and 21 times at the last om. Today your color is going to be white. You will wear something in white and you will do this, and you will seek healing and you will seek the divine God guidance of Ma Kali, and you will heal your chakras when you're working on these three mantras. Now coming to the next amazing beautiful card, which is the Shri Bala. Basically Shri Bala is said to be the breath of goddess Lalita. So here she is ready to fight, she is ready to bring in unconditional love, she is ready to fight against anything that is troubling you. So trust yourself, trust in the goddess, and she is going to be there for you, she is going to fight for you, and she is going to help you into whatever you want. So today look at her and say, oh Shri Bala Ma, be there with me, always help me in manifesting everything that I desire. And you will just say, may you prevail, may your energies prevail, may your power prevail. Jai Ma Bala, Jai Ma, Jai Ma Bala, Jai Ma 11 times. Okay, you all have a beautiful and a blessed day. Today I just want to say one thing before I end. I've already said what chantings you need to do, and the color is white today if possible, buy some packets of food, preferably 11 packets of food, and feed either 11 animals, 11 stray dogs, or feed 11 people, 11 poor people who are in need. And also if you can donate something in red today, it can be a red fruit, it can be a red cloth, donate something in red today and seek the blessings of goddess Kali. May you all have a beautiful and a Ma Kali blessed day. Thank you.